Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's your boy Gerard Fox here. I know it's been a long time before I recorded one of these videos, but today I wanted to talk about the UEFA. Now UEFA, being under fire as they were, they decided to make some changes and listen to the teams. If you look at the past Champions League or league seasons, Juventus is one example when they lost to Porto based on away goals rule, and when Manchester United in 2010 lost to Bayern based on away goals rule. Now this rule has been in place for years and has been followed by many people, but as a result many teams wanted it gone. So UEFA, can you believe it? UEFA finally abolished the away goals rule. Now this might come as a surprise to many people, but when you look at it, it gives teams a fair chance. It gives even small teams a chance to fight. Because small teams, when they go to other big teams, they might lose, then win at their home. But because a big team has scored, they are out. And it also gives people some fighting chances and a chance for good football. Because imagine, had Porto and Juventus known that they were going to the penalty shootouts, that game would not have drawn, because there was no away goes rule, so everyone will be trying to win it in the 90 minutes. So now the rules are, if you are fighting and if you are drawn on aggregate, you are going to penalty shootouts, or you win your game in extra time. If there is a draw in extra time, penalty shootouts. There is no other way and there is no excuse. Now this might be harsh for some, this might be good for some, but it sets up scintillating matches where you know that a team is not going to hold on to a away goal because they know that they won an away. No, that won't be the case anymore. A team has to claw and fight for their games. They have to win. Another example can be that some defensive teams can grind out a 1-0 away and hope for the best when they come back home. So that won't be the matter anymore. If you don't win, you're going to shootouts. That's the best you can have. Now, please, guys, watch out for my Premier League predictions reaction video will be out soon, and also my Euros last 16 predictions video will be coming soon. Please share and subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I haven't been on the webs to make your Euro predictions, but I'm here for the knockout. I will react to the group stages, how they finished, then predict on the finishes of the next. See you later. Thank you.